integrate the x over 1 plus the square root of 2x. Please like, share, and comment for us to build the mathematics community. Now, if we let 2x equals u squared, then if we differentiate this, we get 2 dx, and if we differentiate u squared, we get 2u du. Now, this gives 2x equals u du. Okay, so let's see. Our integral 1 divided by 1 plus the square root of 2x dx is now equal to the integral 2x equals u squared. So we are going to have 1 divided by 1 plus the square root of u squared, and dx equals u du in a very simple way. So we have the integral 1 divided by 1 plus u, that is the square will cancel the square root, times u du equals the integral u divided by 1 plus u du. Okay, let's see how we simplify this in a very simple way. U can be written as 1 plus u minus 1, all divided by 1 plus u du. You can also use long division to divide it if you don't like it this way. Now, we are now going to have the integral 1 plus u divided by 1 plus u minus 1 divided by 1 plus u du. Now, 1 plus u cancels 1 plus u, and we have the integral 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus u du. So we are going to integrate each term by term since we have difference. So we have the integral of the u minus the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus u du. If we integrate the u, we get u, minus if we integrate 1 divided by 1 plus, we get natural log of 1 plus u. Then bring the integral constant c, but u equals what? If we take 2x equals u squared, then we have u equals square root of 2x. So we put here square root of 2x minus the natural log of absolute value of 1 plus the square root of 2x plus c. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and follow me for us to build the mathematics community.